Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hello YouTube, this is Wasay here and today we are going to unbox the Redmi 8A. So here we have the box, the front, the side and the back. Here you can see its specification. Redmi 8A ocean blue color, 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of ROM. Let me just cut the plastic. Okay, let's open the box. And inside we have the contents. Let me just open it. We have the SIM ejection tool as well as some manuals, and here we have the actual Redmi 8A in the ocean blue color. Here you can see the back side of it and the front as well, along with some of its specification. Now inside the box we have our USB to type C cable. So this does support type C and not our usual micro USB cable. Here is our charger. Its output is 5 volt and 2 ampere. Let me power it on. It's booting up. Here on the back you can see micro SD, nano SIM and nano SIM. On the above side you have your microphone. Beneath you have your USB type C port, speakers and a microphone jack. So this was just a quick unboxing of the Redmi 8A. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below.